What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to play Subway Surfers multiplayer where you get to play online with friends. So you want to make sure of course that you're on your Subway Surfers, and at the top right corner you can see the gear icon. Tap on it and this will take you to your settings. Then at the top area of your settings you can see Game Center and Connect. Then at the top area of this menu you can see Game Center, Connect and Facebook Connect. You're going to choose Connect with Facebook, and the goal of this is to connect with your friends who are on Facebook who also are playing Subway Surfers. So you're going to tap on Connect, and now you can see that your Facebook has been connected. Any of your friends who are on Subway Surfers will also be playing, and you can also track their records. So in a sense, you'd be playing with them. Then of course, as you're playing your Subway Surfers, you can come right here and at the top left corner, you can see high score. You can tap on high score. Then you'll see your other friends who are playing on Subway Surfer. So if you go ahead and tap on play, at the top right area, you're going to see the top run. If your friends are playing Subway Surfers as well, you will also see their top run and you can compete together. So this is how to play Subway Surfers multi-user.